In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to watch NFL on Firestick. First, turn on your Firestick and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the Fire TV home screen, go to Find option and select Search. Type NFL into the search bar and look for the official NFL app. Select the app, choose Get or Download, and wait for the installation to finish. Once the NFL app is installed, open it and select Sign In. Follow the instructions shown on your TV to log in with your NFL account. Depending on your subscription and the content available, you can use the app to access NFL Network programming, preseason games, game replays, and other NFL content. You can also watch NFL games on Fire Stick through supported live TV streaming services. Open the Amazon Appstore, search for services such as YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, or Sling TV, and install the service you subscribe to. After signing in, open the live guide and find the channel broadcasting your NFL game. If you have a participating TV provider, you can also connect your provider account to the NFL app. Open the app, go to Settings or Profile, select the TV or streaming provider login option, and follow the activation instructions. Enter the activation code displayed on your Fire Stick, choose your provider, and sign in with your provider credentials. And that's it. This way you can easily watch NFL on Fire Stick. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.